Do you think AppleGPT has the potential to become the iPhone of the AI chat world? With the news of Apple launching its own AI chatbot to rival OpenAI, Google, and Meta, technophiles are buzzing with excitement as Apple has never disappointed its fans when it comes to performance and technological innovation. Can Apple keep up the expectations? Let's find out. Recently, Apple has been trying to incorporate artificial intelligence into its products and services, and the recent buzz from its headquarters suggests that they are in the process of testing an AI chatbot named AppleGPT. Apple has constructed its own internal infrastructure upon which it will build large language models to compete with OpenAI's ChatGPT, Google's Bard, and Meta's Llama. Sources told the outlet that the framework is codenamed Ajax. Ajax, which was first built in 2022, is designed to create large language models and runs on Google Cloud. Ajax is built on Google JAX, a framework created to accelerate machine learning research. In simple words, you can say that JAX is a Python library that lets you write codes based on GPUs and TPUs. They are essential in training large language models as they can handle huge amounts of data and complex mathematical operations. Why do you think Apple used Google JAX for its AI chatbot? JAX is flexible and powerful and lets you run codes on different devices with ease. Also, it can calculate gradients essential for improving neural networks in large language models, LLMs. It is also possible that by using JAX, Apple may want to use Google's cloud tools and AI expertise. Right now, access to Apple's chatbot is limited within Apple, and sources say that Apple has multiple teams working on the project, which include addressing privacy implications. Some Apple employees are of the view that Apple could announce a significant AI announcement as early as 2024. Apple is known for its strict security and privacy policies, and a data breach is the last thing the company wishes. As AI generative tools can create fake news and videos, Apple has been cautious about developing its chatbot. At first, the chatbot can be tested by only a few Apple employees, and they use the chatbot for a variety of purposes, creating mock-ups for product launches or helping researchers to summarize research articles. These testers then need approval from higher-ups. Do you think Apple is a bit late for the party? It is worth noting that the AI chatbot landscape is a competitive field with many players vying for dominance. Tech giants have been working and developing generative AI for a while now and are much ahead of Apple. Microsoft has integrated ChatGPT to its search engine and Office suite, while Google has used Bard to improve its Google Search Google Assistant. Meta has released several open-source language models like Llama 2, but Apple has been silent about its AI developments and has never attended any AI conferences or shared its findings with the AI community. Why? Apple has its own approach when it comes to AI. It seems they are in no hurry and want to slowly introduce their chatbot to their products and services. This way they can make sure that it fits well and so not to compromise Apple's quality. For example, they may incorporate it in Siri, which has lost its fame among users, to make it more human-like and customize interactions to individual needs. In iMessage, it can make you feel like you are chatting with a friend, mentor, or tutor, seeking knowledge, humor, or advice. In the Photos app, you can enhance or create images based on your instructions. In the Music app, you might be able to craft or remix music, making your own melody, beats, or lyrics according to your taste. In the Podcast app, you might be able to listen to or create your own podcast. These are some of the ideas, but Apple may have more innovative ideas in mind. Why do you think Apple built its chatbot on the Ajax framework? Let's find out something more about AppleGPT's framework platform Ajax that attracted Apple. One of the primary reasons for Apple's rush towards adopting the Ajax framework is its real-time data processing capabilities. Ajax allows seamless communication between the client and server, enabling data to be fetched and processed in real time without interrupting the user experience. As Apple aims to scale its AI initiatives across millions of devices and users, ensuring high performance and scalability is imperative. Ajax's asynchronous data retrieval and processing contributes to better. Ajax can be utilized to stack substance powerfully. This implies that the user does not need to hold up for the complete page to stack sometime. Recently, they can begin an association with it. This will make strides in execution, particularly on moderate associations. Apple's decision to embrace the AJAX framework also lies in its ease of development and integration. By using AJAX, developers can build feature-rich AI applications with minimal complexity. AJAX can be utilized to create asynchronous requests. This implies that the user does not have to wait for the whole task to complete before they can proceed to association with the page. This could streamline advancement by lessening the number of steps that have to be taken to complete a task. With the integration of AJAX in AI-powered voice assistants like Siri, Apple can offer more natural and instantaneous interactions. Real-time data processing enables Siri to fetch relevant information and respond to user queries swiftly, enhancing its usability and utility. In addition, Apple is also utilizing AI in other ways to make strides in its products and services. For example, AI is being utilized to progress the execution of Apple's Maps app, to personalize the user experience on Apple Music, and to recommend products and services to users on the App Store. Apple products are known for their top-notch quality, design, and user interface. Recently, many people accuse Apple of lagging behind the AI competition, and they are criticized for its lack of product innovation. Apple has now entered the chatbot world with a bang, and do you expect a secret weapon to be rolled under their sleeves? Apple's AI chatbot, AppleGPT, is in juvenile form and is in safe hands. Apple's chatbot project is led by some eminent and smart people. One of them is John Gianandrea, Apple's Senior Vice President of Machine Learning and AI Strategy. He joined Apple in 2018 after working at Google for 8 years. He led the research and AI team. He is responsible for overseeing Siri, Core ML, computer vision and natural language learning, and other AI-related technologies at Apple. He is also one of the key architects at AJAX. Another one is Craig Federighi. Federighi, who joined Apple in 2009, is the Senior Vice President of Apple in software development. He oversees key software products like iOS, Mac OS, and iCloud, and played a major role in adding AJAX to Apple's offerings. These well-experienced men, along with Apple's CEO Tim Cook, are behind Apple's AI programs, and together with their expertise and passion for AI, Apple can roll out its own amazing AI chatbot even if they are a bit late for the party. Apple's CEO and leader Tim Cook has been very vocal about AI, and he said AI is one of the most important technologies of our time, and AI can make our lives better and easier. He also said that AI can solve some of the biggest challenges we face as a society. This hints to us that Apple is planning something big, something that will blow our minds. In fact, Apple's chatbot AppleGPT has the potential to become the iPhone in the chatbot world. Just like the iPhone revolutionized the smartphone industry, AppleGPT can innovate the field of AI-powered chatbots. Much like the iPhone's user-friendly interface and accessibility revolutionized how people engage with technology, AppleGPT may also aim for a seamless and intuitive chatbot experience. It could be integrated into various services like customer support, virtual assistants, language translations, and more. The success of AppleGPT may largely depend on whether it can keep up with AI competition by continuously improving and adapting to user needs. Just as the iPhone saw constant upgrades and software updates, AppleGPT would require ongoing developments to stay competitive and relevant in the fast-paced AI industry. Moreover, Apple's strong brand reputation and customer base can help provide a significant advantage in introducing AppleGPT into the market. With a built-in customer base, it could quickly gain traction and popularity. However, it's worth noting that the AI chatbot landscape is highly competitive, with many tech giants like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and several other startups that have been heavily investing in AI technology, which could pose a problem for AppleGPT's dominance. Nonetheless, if AppleGPT can deliver on its promises, and provide a smooth and efficient conversational experience, it may indeed have the potential to become the iPhone of the AI chatbot world, revolutionizing how people interact with AI-powered systems and setting new standards for chatbot technology. What do you think of AppleGPT? Do you think AppleGPT can revolutionize AI chatbot technology? Comment your opinions below. Thanks for watching.